Hi, I'm Anita from Crafts by Anita, and welcome to episode I have no clue of Anita's vlog. It's going to be a short vlog just to catch you up with what's been going on with me. So last week, and I've touched on this before, I've got some kind of nerve damage or neuropathy in my legs, so I'm not walking all that well. I can't walk that fast, but I got sick with the flu back in November, right, like a week before Thanksgiving, and I was like, my walking was worse. So I was just like walking like, you know how a toddler or a child learning how to walk, they're totally unstable. That was me. And let's see. Finally got over that cold a little bit. And the cough stayed behind. I don't know why. And then I got sick again right at the new year, so I was off work for an entire week, which blew through all of my sick time for the year. 48 hours gone like that. And so last Thursday, I got home from, I guess, the gas station or something. And I came in, sat down, took care of some things, and all I wanted to do was get up and go change into my comfy clothes so I can like sit and relax and just be sick and do nothing of great importance. So I got up, went to walk that way. My legs felt like they completely disappeared. They were non-existent. I fell back and I smacked the back of my head on my desk. Now, if it had been the desk I had before I moved, but I broke it, that would have been it. I would have been done. But this one it's not sharp cornered. It's kind of rounded-ish. So, all right, like fine, great. This sucks. Got up off the floor. I'm like, okay, this is fun. Head hurt. Wasn't checked myself for a concussion and all that fun stuff, and then kept track of if I was getting headaches or anything like that. So that was fine. I was good. And then, as my walking has been terrible, so I thought the bed I've got in my bedroom was causing all my nonsense, or the good chunk of my lower back being stiff as hell and not being able to walk. So Sunday night I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna go sleep on the couch. It is a firm twin size mattress, and I didn't have these issues when I slept on that, other than the quilt top queen I've got in my bedroom. So, all right, fine. Went to bed, got up. It took me 3 tries to stand up from that bed. So I went, checked my phone. It was about 10:30 in the morning. I was like, crap. I didn't want to sleep in that late because I needed to do paperwork so I could get a doctor on a sliding fee scale so I could get this nonsense taken care of. So I started walking towards the bathroom so I could get dressed. Legs disappeared again. I landed with my right arm, my hand flat like this, and I heard a snap. I thought I broke my arm. So I'm all like, I need to go to the hospital. So my youngest daughter got a hold of my ex. He came over. My oldest daughter came over, got me into the car. She went back to bed because she works overnights. So he took me to the hospital. And it took forever to get seen. So I'm sitting there. My arm is throbbing. And I'm just like, oh my God, my arm is broken. It sucks. And then I finally got back there. I told them everything that was going on. I fell and hit my head the week before. So they ordered a CT scan. That came out negative. So that was fine. No traumatic brain injury. None of that. No crack. No whatever it is they call it. So I go back there. I also hurt my foot. My right side is just all jacked up. So they came and they x-rayed my arm. And because I've got their app, I'm like looking at my results. I was like, how is it not broken? It feels like it's broken. The snap I heard was my muscle snapping. Or a tendon. I don't know which. But it sucks. So they wanted to find out also what was going on, why I can't walk all that well, what the neuropathy was. So I had an MRI done. And then they ask you, it's like, are you claustrophobic? No, not unless I'm crowded around with a bunch of people. So, okay. So they got me in there. And I've never had an MRI before, so I didn't really realize how close my face was to the top of that cylinder. I'm like, oh, okay, this is fun. I'm just going to close my eyes. I mean, I'm not claustrophobic, but I just didn't want to stare at the ceiling either. So they put some earplugs in because the machine is loud, and I didn't realize how loud it was until it started running. And then they gave me headphones, and I told them give me some classic metal. Turn the volume up. So I'm listening to like Iron Maiden, something else, but my left leg kept like cramping and jumping all over, so they couldn't get a good picture. So they gave me some stuff in my IV, and they shoved me back into the tube. I closed my eyes. I think I slept through the rest of it. I remember them taking me out of the tube. I don't remember being transferred back to the bed. I don't remember going back to my room. And I'm all like, okay, well, this is stupid. So then I had to spend the night. So I spent the night. And the next day, I have a neurosurgeon in my room. And he says, yeah, you've got a neural sheath tumor between your T1 and T2 vertebrae. I'm like, excuse me? How does something from up here mess with me all the way down here? He's like, oh, it's the nerve endings and yada yada or whatever. So I have a surgical consult on Thursday the 29th of January. I wish it wasn't that far away. I'm just sick and tired of this crap. But I'm going to find out when my surgery is, how long I'm going to be out for. I'm currently in the middle of trying to do paperwork for leave from work. I can't do part of it until I have my appointment, because right now I can't really drive anywhere. Not because I can't drive, it's just trying to get my new friend over here, my walker. My daughter bought me this walker on Amazon, had it overnight delivered, and she got it to me the next day, which that helps better than those stupid crutches back there. So I have to wait until my appointment to get the rest of that paperwork for this one part filled out and done, because they have to fill it out. And that's not until next week. I just wish it was sooner, because I want this done and over with. I don't need to be out of work for this long. I filed for like 3 months out of work, because I don't know what my recovery time is going to be. And it's like looking things up on the internet. You know how that goes. It's like it could be 4 to 6 weeks or 6 to 8 weeks or 3 to 6 months. And I'm like, I can't be out of work that damn long. So I'm busy going through that. I did, however, not break my arm. Like I said, my muscle snapped, so I've got this lovely bruise right here, and I've got another one right here. The top of my right foot is bruised because I think I smacked it on, I think, my bin or one of those 5-gallon buckets that's over there at the corner of the bed. And I'm like, and I didn't see the bruise until after I got home and took those hospital socks off. And I'm like, oh my God, this is stupid. What the hell happened to me? So this whole side is jacked up. I can crochet because I'm left-handed. I can't exactly knit because I'm a right-handed thrower, and that would be just too much for my wrist to handle. I mean, I'm starting to see some definition in my wrist bone, a little bit, but I've been trying to ice it, which isn't easy, trying to walk from the kitchen into here with an ice bag. That, you have to do that to get the ice out, and then fill the tray and try not to drop it on the way back to the freezer, which I really can't do. I mean, I could, but it would just be like terrifying. So that has been going on with me. So while I'm in this transitional period of crap I didn't want in 2026, all my plans that I had made from my goals for 2026 are now pushed back for months, because I cannot deal with doing tutorials and all that stuff. And I can make other videos, but in order to do the overhead videos, I have to drag that table over here, and right now it's cluttered badly because I've got stuff up there that needs to get put away, because I've been trying to go through the spare bedroom, which that's obviously not going to happen right at the moment either. So anyway, so if you feel like you want to throw me a bone, give me some support, you can go to craftsbyanita.com, purchase some handmade goods. I do have the stuff to pack and ship, and even though I can't physically go to the post office, I can have a pickup made. So if you want to do that, go do that. I also have patterns on Gumroad and Ko-Fi. All those links are in the description below. Those are instant downloads. I'm going to work on getting more patterns ready to go. I've got 2 that I have not finished from the tutorials that came out. So they got like placeholders in the descriptions on both of those, which is irritating. The videos, I didn't catch the videos before they launched because I went to bed and went to work, and I was like, oh crap, the patterns weren't ready. So I still have to finish that from last year. I've got a couple of what do you call it, videos, tutorials that I did shoot that I need to do the patterns for on that as well. Just haven't had a chance to do it. I was like too busy working, dealing with all my nonsense, my daughter, my youngest daughter, dealing with her pregnancy and all the fun stuff that comes with that. So, and she's due end of March, early April, somewhere between like a 4-week, 3 week period where she could have this baby at the end of March and then up to like her birthday. So that'll be fun. I just hope I'm recovered enough to actually go there for the delivery. At least I'm hoping. So that's basically all that's been like going on with me. I'm going to try to do my best to do the things I can do, and maybe, I don't know, depending on my recovery, might do some live streams after the surgery. I don't want to like start doing it now because, well, my arm still hurts like hurts really bad. So I'm going to end this vlog for now so I can edit it. Oh my God. See, I can't even say that word every damn time. So I can make it pretty and upload it. So yeah, just let me know how you guys have been doing. And don't awe me, don't pity me. This crap's been going on for years. And it just finally got to a point where, hey, I seriously need to take care of this, and it's going to get taken care of. Hopefully the surgery will stop my ambulatory problems, and I can walk like a normal flippin' human being again. It may not completely get rid of the neuropathy, and I might end up getting nerve damage somewhere else. I don't know. Depends on how the surgery goes. I'm just hoping I don't get any screws or rods stuck in my back, because that would be annoying and probably make my recovery a lot longer. So I'll keep you guys updated on what's going on with that as soon as I have that appointment next week. Wish it wasn't next week. Right now, it's really cold outside. It's like, I looked at my phone. It's like 9 degrees. I'm pretty sure feels like it's going to be like -10 or something. Because when I looked this morning, it said it was 11 degrees. Feels like -7. We're in that winter storm. Oh, okay. So right now it's 8 degrees and feels like -10. So I'm not going outside. It's snowing. It's been snowing off and on all day. It's supposed to snow again tomorrow, I do believe. Oh, beautiful. And it's also supposed to snow on Sunday too. Great. I hate winter. Let's see. Okay, it's still going to be like in the 50s for my appointment and no snow. Thank God. Because I don't want to be trying to I'm gonna have my MX is gonna take me to my appointment, so I don't want to actually be walking in snow with this walker. And hopefully it's cleared and gone and there's no ice on those damn stairs, which would suck. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.